Hi everyone, my name's Danny. I'm a designer at Lowepro in Petaluma, California. This is our Pro Trekker BP450AW2. This is our pro level backpack for adventure and travel, mixing high capacity and carry-on compatibility. To keep this within 9x14x22 for carry-on compatibility, we designed a stowable harness. So we can open up the molded back panel to access our contoured shoulder straps, as well as the removable waist belt. We've updated the hardware to have more bite to maintain your fit while under heavy load. We've added elastic webbing keepers to all the straps to keep them tidy while you're traveling. On the back panel and shoulder straps, we've gone to a stretch material which won't pick up any sand. On the side, we have a 1-liter stowable water bottle pocket. On the main axis, we have a large number 10 lockable zipper to keep your gear safe while traveling. This bag features our built-in all-weather cover for rain protection if you get caught in a storm. So those are all the features that make this bag carry-on compatible for your journey. Now we'll talk about ways we get your gear to the destination. We've got top and side retracting grab handles. On the front we have 2 removable accessory straps. These can be attached vertically on the front, horizontally on the front, horizontally on either side, or horizontally wrapping from the side to the front. In the front we have a removable tripod cup. Combined with our accessory straps, you can carry a tripod on the front of the bag or either side of the bag. Next we have our front top pocket. Inside we'll find a tricot lined side for things like sunglasses, and some small pockets and a key leash to keep your gear organized. On the side we have a quick side access pocket. This is great for things like documents. Next we get into the front device pocket. Inside we'll find a large pocket for a 15-inch laptop, a 10-inch tablet, a transparent pocket for small accessories, and a padded pocket for a drawing tablet. Next we're going to go inside. So we open up our big number 10 zipper. Now we're in the camera space. Down the center of the bag we can fit a 400mm f2.8 attached to a body. So that'll fit right between these 2 main gray rails. Then we get to our MaxFit dividers. These are designed to be able to push up as tight as possible to your gear to fit as much gear into the space. So we've designed the divider system in this bag to fit lots of kits like a Pro DSLR kit or a Pro Mirrorless kit. Both of those kits could be mixed with a folding drone. Horizontal hinge divider. This is really good for stacking things like flashes or a folding drone with a transmitter on top. Down here we've got a removable gearbox. This is really great for holding things like chargers, cables, and batteries. Then we've got 2 removable webbing straps. These are nice for just holding things super tight and making sure nothing's going to move around while you're moving quickly. On the door we've got 2 zippered pockets and 2 built-in memory card pockets with a transparent base so you can see which cards are in them. This is our Pro Trekker BP450AW2. It's great for a pro photographer with a portrait grip, and the stowable harness makes it carry-on compatible.